We continue now with the Academy's spring house cleaning, getting rid of the old Oscars to make room for the new. Here's a beautiful song stylist who's equally stylish as a dramatic actress on stage and screen, Miss Diane Carroll.
I am privileged to announce the recipient of this year's award for the best achievement in sound effects. The nominees are Walter Rossi for Fantastic Voyage, Gordon Daniel for Grand Prix. May I please reveal the winner, Mr. Miller? Thank you. The winner is Gordon Daniel for Grand Prix.
Oh, it's just too much. Well, thank you very much to the Academy and the marvelous people I work with. Thank you.